Pravda Brewery in Lviv, and
Yes.
that's been open for how long?
It's almost, it's going to be 8 full years in 2 weeks' time. We opened very late in 2014. Been running for 8 years now, brewed about 300 plus recipes. We actually started in the center of Lviv, which is the most touristic place, or used to be the most touristic place in Ukraine before the full-scale invasion. The city enjoyed the stream of 2.5 million tourists, internal and external tourists, and we opened what first was a brew pub in the very center of Lviv. In a couple of years, we saw that the business model of having a brew pub in the city center isn't really working. So we actually split. We took the brewery away, which allowed us to expand 3 times in a year after this move. And in the city center, we only are left with a big restaurant, which now serves as the restaurant and the crisis media center. So it also serves as the place where journalists come to hear the city authorities or the district authorities about the bombings or any other important information. And we actually, when we opened in 2014, we never expected that we will have to be other thing than a peaceful craft brewing community and craft brewing company.